Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's haul is very special because I am sharing fabulous shirt style cord set haul with you all. Seriously, honestly, अगर आपको hassle free, stylish and comfy outfits चाहिए, तो this cord sets are must have for your wardrobe. First, let me tell you why you should invest in good cord set. सबसे पहले, they are effortless. No more standing in front of wardrobe thinking what to pair with what. बस set निकालो, पहनो and you are ready. दूसरा, they are super versatile. You can mix and match them with your existing clothes and you can dress them up or down depending on the occasion, and every time you get a whole new look. तीसरी और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट बात, कंफर्ट. दे आर ऑल मेड इन कॉटन और सुपर सॉफ्ट फैब्रिक, सो ऑल डे कंफर्ट इज गारंटीड, स्पेशली इन अवर इंडियन वेदर. तो जब लाइफ थोड़ा बिजी हो, चाहे ऑफिस जाना हो या डेली इवेंट्स हो या फ्रेंड्स के साथ कॉफी में जाना हो, इवन ट्रैवल के लिए दीज आउटफिट्स आर परफेक्ट. स्टाइलिंग एंड मिक्स एंड मैच का स्ट्रेस जीरो एंड यू ऑलवेज लुक पुट टुगेदर. कितना कन्वीनियंट है ना. तो चलिए बिना देरी किए शुरू करते हैं आज का ये हॉल वीडियो. Let's start today's haul with this stunning retro style cord set by Pink Paprika by Sassafras. Look at this fresh red and white abstract stripes. They are such a modern and lively vibe. Let's decode this outfit. Top has nice shirt collar with simple button down front, but they have given these beautiful tucks in the middle, which is creating nice flare and kind of butterfly effect to the look. To elevate that, they have given nice smoking effect at the back, so it cinches the waist beautifully and giving you nice hourglass shape. Trousers are in solid white with a nice piping detailing at the hemline. They are fully elasticated with a drawstring, and these trousers are for my tall girlies because they are really long. I have to get it altered. Plus 2 pockets, always a bonus. The dress is made in pure cotton fabric, plus it is oversized, slightly loose fit garment, so comfort is guaranteed. I have styled this look with these simple earrings with a pearl, a simple silver bracelet for the footwear, my chunky white heels, and I am good to go. Whether you are heading for a brunch or casual outing, this dress is perfect for you. अब प्राइस की बात करें तो I paid only 1590 rupees for this set, but the original price is 4299 rupees. So I got rupees 2700 discount on it. Let's move on to look number 2, and I am really excited about this one because I am trying this brand Yellow Parrot for the first time. Look how fresh is this blue and white cord set. This blue color gives denim like feel. The shirt has such a nice clean look with these chic white lace detailing and classic shirt collar. Full sleeves with same lace detailing, nice button closure, absolutely classic. Look at the white lace detailing at the back also. Styling this exactly the way model is wearing with my own twist. I have added this top from Zara and for that layering effect. मुझे ना इस टाइप के क्लासिक पीसेस बहुत वर्सेटाइल लगते हैं. अब फैब्रिक की बात करें तो दिस सेट इज मेड इन प्योर कॉटन फैब्रिक. फैब्रिक इज लाइट वेट, बट ये बहुत ट्रांसपेरेंट या थिन फैब्रिक नहीं है. ये एक लाइट डेनिम की तरह का इफेक्ट देता है. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ट्राउजर्स. सी हाउ नाइस द फिट इज and it has the same lace trim detailing on the sides. Look at the fit of the trousers. It is partially elasticated, so comfort guaranteed है. Side में 2 pockets, always bonus. For accessories, I kept it cool and minimal with these open hoop earrings from Palmunas. एक simple bracelet भी add किया है. For the footwear, my clear heels. These accessories give this outfit such a modern touch. Simple but classy. Now let's talk about price. This set is originally priced at 2,999 rupees, but I got it at 51% off and the price is 1,461 rupees. अब ये आउटफिट आप कहाँ कहाँ पहन सकते हो, ऑफिस जा रहे हो, मीटिंग अटेंड करनी हो, परफेक्शन। कॉलेज में भी आप इसे पहन सकते हैं, सुपर ट्रेंडी लगेगा। फ्रेंड्स से मिलना है, ब्रंचेस पे जाना है, कैजुअल आउटिंग है, सुपर स्टाइलिश ये आउटफिट लगता है। और हाँ, ट्रैवल में भी ये स्टाइल और कंफर्ट का परफेक्ट बैलेंस है, chic and comfortable together. Okay, let's dive into look number 3. I have picked up this stunning piece from Sangria. कितना unique and beautiful color है इसका. Two-tone purple with subtle embroidery detail on the shirt, and the moment you wear it, it pops on the camera and in real life too. Shirt has elegant collar, front button closure. It has full sleeves with calf details. Let me show it to you. It is a simple shirt design. इतना relaxed and comfortable vibe है ना इसका, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. And look at this palazzo pants. Super comfortable, nice, loose fit with one pocket. It has partially elasticated waistband, so super comfortable. Now fabric की बात करें तो it is made in viscose rayon fabric, so fabric is really soft and flowy and comfortable. Now let's talk about styling. I kept the jewelry same from the earlier look. Same silver earrings from Palmunas, simple silver bracelet, again my clear heels as footwear because they elevate any look. ये ना एक बहुत ही comfortable look है. इसे आप work from home days के लिए पहन सकते हैं या घर के छोटे मोटे काम करने के लिए जब आप मार्केट जाते हैं उस टाइम इसे पहन सकते हैं, या किसी भी दिन पे आप जब घर पे comfortable रहना चाहते हैं, ये look perfect है. MRP of this set is 2,999 rupees, but currently it is available at 66% discount. So I paid only 1,019 rupees for this. Okay, ready for look number 4? Again ये एक नया brand है. It is from Zeo. This is navy blue colored floral printed set, and honestly it is such an elegant option for your wardrobe. Shirt has this gorgeous navy blue color with this subtle floral print on it. I love 3/4 sleeves and neat collar, gives it a chic and put together look. Fit is relaxed, so it's airy and perfect for long working days or casual hangouts. Look at these gorgeous buttons at the front. Isn't it a versatile shirt? Trousers are also in same color with relaxed fit and partially elasticated waistband. And yes, it has 2 pockets, which we all love. Whole set is crafted in viscose rayon fabric, so it is super soft and easy to wear. Plus you can wash it in the machine, so maintenance का भी कोई झंझट नहीं. मैंने इस सेट को स्टाइल किया है. This gold heart hoop earrings from Palmunas. ये wooden bangles का set. And for the footwear, my clear heels again because वो हर लुक के साथ बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, लुक को एकदम पॉलिश्ड बना देती है. This look is perfect for work from home days, running errands and even for travel. Now let's talk about most important thing, price. It is originally priced at 2,999 rupees, but currently it is available at 60% discount. So the current price is 1,199 rupees. Now let's check out look number 5, which is such a unique twist on coats. This one is from Pink Paprika by Sassafras. It is waistcoat and trousers set in this beautiful ikat print, and it just screams summer chic. This waistcoat is round neck, sleeveless with button down front. बहुत ही fresh and edgy vibe है इसका. For little coverage and that smart layered look, I wore my white basic Zara top underneath, and then I kept this button open, so it is giving that coat collar like effect. plus the bottom buttons are also open, so it is giving this nice beautiful effect. वेस्ट कोट के अंदर अच्छा सा लाइनिंग दिया हुआ है, सो फिनिशिंग इज टॉप नॉच. प्लस बोथ वेस्ट कोट एंड ट्राउजर्स आर मेड इन प्योर कॉटन फैब्रिक, सो सुपर सॉफ्ट एंड कंफर्टेबल है. हैंड वॉश भी इजी है. Now let's talk about trousers. These are really long trousers, so even taller people can easily wear this. These are fully elasticated with this drawstring, so fit is perfect. Again, it comes with 2 pockets, which is always a bonus. Now you can see from the front and back, the fit is just awesome. I styled this look from the accessories from earlier look. Same small heart hoop earrings from Palmonas, this bracelet from Amazon. For the footwear, my clear heels, because they elevate each and every look. अब प्राइस की बात करें तो इस सेट का MRP है 3,999 रुपीज़, बट करेंटली ये 59% डिस्काउंट पे अवेलेबल है. सो मैंने इसके लिए पे किया है ओनली 1,639 रुपीज़. This set is perfect for brunches, shopping scenes or casual outing with friends. You can wear this to office also, where you want to stand out but still want to look sophisticated. Yes, you can wear this for holidays also. It will look super chic. Moving on to look number 6, which is such a soft and soothing pick from a brand all about you. I love this delicate soft brown color with nice floral print all over. This set comes with a tunic and trousers. Tunic has 3/4 puff sleeves, nice shirt collar, buttoned up front, and it has nice high-low hemline. This is a slightly longer tunic which gives kind of a kurti effect. मुझे इस सेट में सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा इसका हाई-लो हेमलाइन. ये पीछे से काफ़ी लंबा है, तो इफ़ यू आर हेवियर ऑन द लोअर साइड, it will look super flattering and you will feel super confident in it. This drop shoulder detail adds that relaxed vibe to this look, and ये किसी भी बॉडी टाइप के ऊपर अच्छा लगता है. ट्राउजर्स सिंपल मिड राइस हैं जो कि पार्शली इलास्टिकेटेड हैं, सुपर कंफर्टेबल हैं, 2 पॉकेट के साथ आते हैं. एंड ये पूरा सेट प्योर कॉटन में बना हुआ है. बहुत ही सॉफ्ट कॉटन है, इसका फील बहुत ही अच्छा है. I kept the styling super minimal with these simple silver hoops, simple silver bracelet. For the footwear, my Must Harbor heels. This look is perfect for long office hours or those work from home days. And even you can wear this for meeting up with friends, running errands, etc. MRP of this set is 3,499 rupees, but currently it is available at 60% off and in only 1,119 rupees, which is a super value for this pure cotton cord set. And finally guys, time for the last look of this haul. What a stunning finish. This one is again from the new brand Joomer. This one is floral embroidered off-white cord set. इसका तो vibe ही अलग है, totally insta worthy. Fresh, breezy and super statement. The set features this crisp white shirt with classic collar, full sleeves and this elegant floral blue color embroidery all over it. It has the classic timeless feel. For the trousers, it comes with nice comfortable trousers which are partially elasticated, so super comfortable. You can see the fit of the trousers. Trousers has same floral embroidery on the hemline and little detailing on the pockets, and yes, 2 pockets are there. And the best part is this set is fully lined, so no see-through drama. It is made in pure cotton fabric which has this linen-like finish. It is super comfortable and dream to wear. Because I wanted to keep attention on this set, I styled it with really minimal jewelry from the earlier look. Simple silver hoops, silver bracelet. For the footwear, my Must Harbor heels. This one is perfect for fun day trip with friends or Sunday brunches. It is giving that total vacation vibe. अब प्राइस की बात करें तो इस सेट का MRP है 6,199 रुपीज़, बट करेंटली इट इज़ अवेलेबल एट 1,649 रुपीज़ ओनली, मतलब 4,550 रुपीज़ का डिस्काउंट है। गाइस, ये क्वालिटी का प्रोडक्ट विथ फुल्ली लाइंड प्योर कॉटन फैब्रिक, इट इज़ टोटली वर्थ इट। And that's the wrap of this shirt style cord set haul. I hope you enjoyed this haul video and got some inspiration for your next shopping spree. So if you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you want to see next. I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye.